Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to get a soundboard on your MacBook. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have Hitpaw. Hitpaw is a voice changer for Mac and it has a built-in soundboard. So all you have to do is download it right here by pressing this button and you'll be able to download its launcher. So all you have to do is actually press the install right here, and then we'll be able to install the one-click real-time changing voice for our soundboard. So it's for Discord, Twitch, Steam, and many much more, as you can see right here. This is just a list of what you can use actually. So here we're just gonna wait for it to install. So here we have Discord, Minecraft, Zoom, even WhatsApp, and many much more. So we can install this and we'll have a soundboard ready on our Mac. So we'll just have to wait for this. It's gonna take some time. So as you can see right here, there's gonna be a countdown in the bottom right corner for you to wait for it to install. So here in Hitpaw, basically you'll be able to change your voice with a click of a button. So it's just like a soundboard but for your Mac. So it's a free download right here. So there's also your edit maker right here, your video enhancer, your photography. This is AI right here. It enhances your actual videos. So here they have 160 plus countries that they support with 23 million downloads and 7.3 million satisfied users. So here you can learn about Hitpaw if you just scroll down. But let's just check out our Hitpaw voice changer. So as you can see right here, now it's loading. So it's gonna launch right now anytime soon. So here you can download some resources right here too, some video tips, some audio tips, and there's social media. You can remove TikTok watermarks, record Facebook lives, and here we go. So now it's gonna launch. So it's gonna use your audio and your files. So just press allow right here, and then it's gonna go. So here you can get 50% off with your voice changer in the MacBook for $21.95. So there you go. We just have to grant the access like a while ago. So here, as you can see that we already have it ready. So we're just gonna press this and there you go. So you can select your speaker and continue. Now you'll be able to change your voice right here, which is pretty cool. So there you go guys, that is how you get a soundboard here in your MacBook. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.